can you solve this nice algebra exponential equation, which is 1 power x plus 8 power x is equal to 64 power x. Find the value of x. So we have 1 power x plus 8 power x then is equal to 64 power x. Now we divided by 64 power x in both sides. So divided by 64 power x divided by 64 power x divided by 64 power x. Now this will be cancelled. So here 1. Now from here x same power but different base. So apply this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b bracket common power n. So according to this rule, it will be 1 over 64 then bracket common power x plus again x same power but different base. So apply this rule. So it will be 8 over 64 then bracket common power x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 64 can be written as 1 by 8 bracket power of 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 8 square is same as 64. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket then power of x plus 8 divided by 8, that means it will be 1. 64 divided by 8, that means it will be 8. So here we have 1 over 8 bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power of m. So it will be 1 over 8 bracket power x then second bracket power of 2 plus 1 over 8 bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now let 1 over 8 bracket power x is substituted by k. 1 by 8 bracket power x, 1 by 8 bracket power x, both term is same. Now so our equation will be k square plus k is equal to 1. Now we can write here k square plus k, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formulas. You can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 1, after that c will be equal to minus 1. Now k will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1 then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now k will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1 minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times on, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times on, that means 2. Now we have k will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here k is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or k is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now remember that 1 over 8 bracket power x is substituted by k. So k, that means 1 by 8 bracket power x. So k, that means it will be 1 by 8 bracket power x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2, or k, that means 1 by 8 bracket power x. So 1 by 8 bracket power of 1 by 8 bracket power of x is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now 1 by 8 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so reject this. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So log of 1 over 8 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 1 by 8 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log of 1 by 8 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 8 divided by log of 1 by 8. So this log of 1 by 8, this log of 1 by 8 will be cancelled. So you have x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 8. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.